So here we got the all-in-one clip, and we're actually going to use this all-in-one clip right here. So we're going to run a power cord all the way from here, from our power. It's going to run down here. We could power these two bushes, and we're going to run up. We're going to keep the power running up to the top of the house here. So that's all going to be one power line all the way up, and we're actually going to use this all-in-one plug right here. So we'll be able to power it right here in the middle. It'll power both ways, and then we'll be able to power everything up to the top there. So that's how we are going to use the all-in-one plug to do this. And basically it's just you just slide off the two pieces here, put the plug in it, and it'll work amazing. Now he's got the all-in-one piece, so it'll go right there basically. I wouldn't put it right underneath there, so that way the water can, I would put it on one side or the other. So put it on the one first, and then, yeah, I'll put it right there. I would put it on the one that you can reach out first and pull it to you, wherever it needs to go at.
So what he's doing first is he's going to untake the cap off, and he's going to slide it onto the wire, or the main wire that's going up of the extension cord.
And then it'll go right down there, and we'll put a clip in behind there, yep. Yeah, either which way doesn't matter.
Now that he's got it on there, he's going to take the cap and slide it on. He did have to take and knock the notch out of the back end of this, which he's already done. And you can do this with a pair of cutters. It's already pre-notched, ready to be knocked out of there.
Yep, and then put it right on there.
So this, by powering this line, by sliding it on this line here, this will make it where we don't have to have an inline male, which technically we shouldn't use an inline male, as the problem with an inline male is we're altering a UL piece of equipment. So this way, this plug allows us to install the plug on the wire, and it makes it a nice clean plug to be able to power both lines.
You got it? Perfect.